Hi, hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to trade in Binance Futures desktop version. If you have account in Binance, you can directly trade in the Binance Future, or else you don't have any account, then I will provide the link in the description. You just go through it and open the account. Or else just go to Binance in Google, click on the first link, you will land on this page, and go to derivatives and click on this USDM futures. Will land on this page. Okay, this is a total layout of the Binance Futures. So before starting the actual trading, we must know about the total layout of this Binance Futures. So let's get started. You can see at the right hand side, if you are able to see the arrow, you see the isolated 5x. 5x means leverage, limit means limit order, market means at market price the order will get executed. Dodge represents the pair at which you are trading. Here is the label given as Dodge USDT. Is the amount by which you can trade. Is the open long position, open short position buttons by which you can actual trade, do the actual trading. This is the order book. Below that is that these are trades, market trades which are actually going on at this time. Then at the left hand side, this is actual price at which the market is flowing right now. This is a mark price, this is an index price. This is a 24-hour change. That means it has gone up by 2.45%. This is 24 hours high, 24 hours low price. Okay, then this is the main trading view chart. This is the candlestick chart. These are the drawing tools. Okay, there are three types of charts. First is original, then is the trading view, and third is the depth. It will show us the means how much is the depth of the market in case of the volume. This is a Doge USDT pair chart on Binance Futures, right? And below that, these are my open positions right now. It shows the open positions. These are open orders. This is order history. You can see the order history, the trade history, the transaction history, everything which you want to see it available over here. Just look at this. This is a time frame. You can easily change the time frame. Just click on this arrow. This is a 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on and so forth. You can see all of this. Then next button is for technical indicator. When you click on it, this window will get open. There's all technical indicators are listed over here. Whichever you want to select, you can select. It will get displayed on this screen. Okay, and then just close it. Then this button displays open orders. When I click on it, displays the open order. Okay, so this is Doge USDT. I open this order at 26442. You can see that 26442, that entry price. It will get displayed on this chart. Then next part, there we can change the graph pattern. This is a bar chart. This is a candlestick chart. This is the hollow candles chart. Then Heikin-Ashi chart. Sorry, means Heikin-Ashi chart, a line chart, area chart, baseline. All charts are available here. The candlestick. I will choose this. Okay, you can also trade in index price, mark price, and last price. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose over here, and that price will get traded when you click on this one of these two buttons. So while to do a trading, there are actually two modes. There is one-sided mode and there is a hedge mode. So to choose that, just go to preferences, position mode. So there are two modes. This is one-way mode. One-way mode means if you are trading, if you take this position, if you take the long position, then you need to go only in this upward direction. You can take second trade in the long position only. You can't take the short position on the same graph. Okay, but in hedge mode you can take long position as well and short position as well at the same time on the same, for the same pair of the cryptocurrency. So now let's move on to the how to trade. Okay, so my available balance in the Binance future is 2.16 USDT. I set this on a market price. So to trade, I just slide this slide bar. It will show me how much amount of Doge will be get traded. It is showing me as 40 and the amount will be 2.11 USDT. So when I click on this open long button, the long position will get executed at the market price. So when I click on the short button, the short position with sell position will get executed at this price 2.11 USDT, and the 40 Doge order will be get executed. I already got the position. So for example, at this price, market price at 264216, I got 190 Doge in the long position. The green bar indicates the long position and the red bar indicates the short position. Currently market price is displayed over here. Okay, if my trade goes inverse, means it goes, I take the long position, the market went down, then at this price my total amount will get liquidated. Okay, and this shows the amount at which I entered into the position. This shows the P&L, that is profit and loss percentage. And currently I am in loss of 0.15 USDT. That's not good actually, but that's fair enough. It will get green color. This shows the green color. That means it is this actually in the plus position. So that is also well and good. So in this way you can trade in Binance futures. So if you have any questions, then you can freely ask in the comment section. Till then, keep learning, be happy, and keep trading. Thank you.